So Sean's truck is dead. We are on our way to go to St. Louis for an event. The goat happened to die before she even got to leave.
This is my luck.
The single click. So we just got this on a sponsor deal, so we're gonna see if it works.
Don't do that.
This is supposed to jump up to like a 10-liter diesel and see if we can.
We got a 6.7 liter now.
Yeah, so if we can charge it, I charged it up 100%, so the battery is full. See if it jumps stuff.
Yeah, black, red.
Start that thing.
Output is going down.
Just like that. Okay, it does work. It works flawlessly. No. These things are so freaking sick. All right, well, just keep it on us, and if we die again, then we'll have it on us for it. Volcano.
Yeah. Now I don't have to buy new batteries for like a whole month because I'll just use this thing every time it's dead.
We're in St. Louis right now. Me and Tanner are at the hotel room. We don't have Sean or any of them with us right now. This hotel room that we've got into is A, under the arch, and B, here's our new room. The new room? Dang, guys. Well, there's St. Louis.
All those birds were waiting to be roamed.
Oh, look at the game. That's so crazy. There's a whole game going on over there. This is the city, the bed of freaking Sean's truck. We got Tanner, freaking Caleb. Dude, there it is. It's just such a different vibe out here. It's so crazy. This is so cool. Pulled up to Worldwide Technology Track. That's a NASCAR track. Those are some NASCARs over yonder. You know what I'm saying? NASCARs.
Like the Miata?
Like the Miata, like a NASCAR. So we are in our hotel in St. Louis right now, and look at the freaking view we've got from this place. Look at all that stuff. There's a downtown. Last night, me and Caleb witnessed a freaking security guard chase down some guys playing with an RC car on that car park right there. The 12 o'clock boys with some four-wheelers were doing some wheelies down there. This looks like an extremely fun town. We are going to hop on some bird scooters. You ready for it, dog?
Most definitely.
So I just got this here bird. Is she rear-wheel drive?
Of course.
Are you serious?
Oh, it just did a wheelie, so.
No way. What? Holy shit, this is torquey. No way, that's crazy. Okay, we can't ride on the sidewalks. We need to do something about that. Woo! Like the little 12 o'clock boys. Obey road rules, boys. They're rear-wheel drive now.
And you can lock it up. Like,
who did that? Who made that legal?
the brakes used to not be good enough.
They used to be
lock up.
front-wheel
I
drive.
didn't have to pay an extra fine to start the thing.
Sick. Well, I did.
Are we supposed to be on the road?
I think. I don't know. We're making it, we're making it, we're making it. How's it going? For my fellow YouTubers, this is St. Louis. We got Caleb, Tanner, and obviously the bird scooters. These things just go 15 and that's about it. They've got a baseball game going on, so we're gonna try and see if we can't find some people over there. These things are actually pretty freaking sick. Look at this right here. Disc brakes in the rear, that's OP. Look at this right here. It'll get out from under you, literally, like a freaking dirt bike. Woo. What? Possibly. Oh. That was a cop! And he straight up scared it away! Holy crap! Oh, the St. Louis is sick! Dude, what? Oh, 2 jumps. We're good though. There's a security guard over there. I don't want him getting into our chili.
He's not doing too good of a job.
Yeah, no facts. Oh, dude, look at this anchor right here. All right, well, let's whip, dip, skip, blip. Look at the bunny. Just domesticated. This is so cool. What in the world? Oh my goodness, look at how cool this is. It's literally water. You can see right here, there's a little bit of spillage, but that's a whole waterfall this whole entire way. The water is perfectly flat. That's so cool. Some sort of memorial, it looks like. To our soldier dead. Soldier's Memorial. That's pretty cool. What do y'all make of it?
This is gorgeous, dude.
Isn't it?
I really like it over here.
It's freaking beautiful. Well, we got more stuff to explore. Let's go ahead.
Yeah.
There's a rat! Did you see the rat? Ratatouille! And freaking look at Pablo! We're in domesticated land. This is the city. This is a certified city. Excuse us. This is turning into so much more freaking fun than it ever seemed like it would have. This is apparently the town hall or something like that. That's so freaking cool. All these buildings. Oh my goodness. Sorry. Yeah, I'm so sorry about that. Who are they playing today?
Cubbies.
We are not from here. We're from Louisiana.
Oh, okay. What
Yes,
brings you
sir.
to St. Louis?
Just doing this for the time being, kind of sightseeing. Well, shoot, it's a beautiful town.
Don't go north of Washington Avenue, okay?
All right, good news. We'll steer clear. Have a good one. Oh, I have a bell. Both of y'all go straight for it. It was a race. Where the hot start would be on a dirt bike.
Not check out Union Station yet?
No, we haven't.
Go back and check out Union Station. They redid it a few years ago. Straight down that way. Kind of cool place.
All right, thank you very much.
Oh, and the city garden, like 2 blocks up, 1 block over.
Awesome. Thank you very much. By the way, do you mind if you're on YouTube by any means?
Not at all.
All right. Well, this guy's being freaking awesome and telling us where to go, so we might have to explore those places. Actually, this kind of looks fun right here. The parking garage. We got some baseball going on over here. I have to watch that game later on. Dude, this is so freaking sick. What a cool building. We're under it. Dude, is it a freaking bank? No way. The Bank of America building is literally a bank? I know it. Okay, so hear me out. This was kind of dumb, but like I didn't know it was legitimately like a drive-in bank at the bottom of that bitch. Never would have guessed it. Never would have guessed that. The bank being a bank, it's crazy. It's just the Bank of America building. It's probably extremely tall. That's about it. Yeah, they be investing in large buildings. I feel like it's more of a flex for them. There's a little garden section over yonder. Whoa. Oh, there's some pretty cool stuff in here. Oh, that's a pool. Oh. Who is that? Dude, where'd your head go? Oh, shit. I like the way this is art. What a nice place. Respect. Oh, look at that. That's the raven. What a foot. Bird. Ah, bird. I have bird scooter. You ready to follow me on the path for legends? Let's do this. Ooh. You want to go to the arch?
No.
All right. What a beautiful place. That's crazy how that works. That bumper is dangerously close. We caught it. Oh, the brake's just rubbing. We're gooched. There's so many of them. What in the hell? Excuse me.
Sir, you got somebody get something to eat, man.
Man, you want to know what? I do
Please.
have some change.
Thank you, man.
I just went to the gas station and I said I was going to bless someone today. I got you, brother.
All right, thanks, man.
Hey, man, have a good one.
You too, man.
Hey,
Thanks.
promise me,
Promise, yeah.
keep this freaking city clean. I'm not
Yeah,
from here. I'm
I
from
don't do that.
Louisiana.
I don't throw trash, none of that. I put my stuff
Hey,
in
if
the
you
bag.
see something, pick it up,
Pick it up,
grab
yeah.
it. Yes, sir.
I picked up something earlier, right over there.
Hell yeah, keep on doing it, brother.
Yeah.
Enjoy that change and
Yes,
enjoy
sir.
whatever you buy with it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah! Look, she getting turned.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Yeah.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Get it!
You're gonna make me dance.
Hey, let's go! Come on!
The Blitz tomorrow.
What's that?
I don't know, but somebody told me to go.
All right, bet. Well, we just got invited to whatever that was. Ah, she's a stripper. She's a stripper. Let's go, bro. She's most definitely gonna give it to us. There's a stripper. Excuse us. That was a good one. Yo, those things are so sick.
Saw you earlier, I know. You do any tricks? Can you do a handstand? Yes. Hey, get on video, man.
Yo, can he do a handstand? Sam, I'm not trying to do that. Excuse me, sir. Dude, those things are faster than us. It's unfair. It's all good though. I don't know if they're trying to meet up. I feel like they would have stopped by now. Oh, we gotta go. I got to work. Watch out. Don't get your bunions bit.
What is up? It's Big Dude back in the building today.
Let's go. Rider one.
Rider 2.
One.
Alert.
I like how we just stayed on floor 12. Like it just goes 1, 2, 4, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. But 13 now, and just 5 through 11? No.
No, it's just not opening.
No, we don't need all that.
Going up.
Oh, it's always great whenever you're in a hotel that's way overrated for you, but it's okay because you're in there anyway. Oh, dead gum. Yeah, we literally just parked 3 right there, and one guy took it while we went up to our room and back down. He just came in, swooped in.
This is a hot spot.
Awesome, thank you very much.
They shut them off at 9.
Yeah.
Downtown. Just
Is there somewhere outside of downtown that doesn't shut off at 9?
Yeah. How far is it? You know where Soulard is?
We have a train, another train.
Hey, mine's not working.
It's not working? Straight. They got scooters over here? Huh? They got scooters over here?
That's our hotel.
In case any of y'all were wondering how big this arch is.
It's so warm. Wouldn't you think it'd be cold? It's so warm.
Hey, anyone St. Louis?
Yo.
Is that a Supra?
I just pissed right here.
No. That's a Supra!
I guess that's pretty sick.
Oh, he stopped.
Tanner's over here trying to legitimately move boats.
Look at this shit. It's so
Sick.
freaking dope.